Installing fonts on MacBook is actually pretty simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, what we're gonna do is you can download a font from the web and then drag it onto your font book. Let's open up font book. Yes, we have it here already. Now you can see this is how font book looks like once it's opened. You have the section for all fonts and my font. Now, once you have the font downloaded from outside, you can actually drag it and put it here. It's gonna go here to my font. But the easiest way to do it is to actually go to all fonts, and here you can pretty much find multiple fonts that you can use. Once you click into the font, you can see the way the alphabets are written. But what I like to do is I like to list them. And you can see right here where it says it has a circle with an arrow pointing downwards. It means you don't have this font on your device, and once you click on it, you can see it's downloading. And once it's done downloading, then what you can actually do is you can drag it into any of your collections, and it's gonna move to that collection. And from there, you can use it as part of your fonts on your Mac device. Now that's how to install fonts on MacBook. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.